I just heard a noise in the house. Folks, I passed this house a couple of months ago and found out it was built in 1910. And I got permission from the owner to search, and I did. And I got to tell you, I heard some really strange noises coming from this house. It gave me the heebie-jeebies. You won't want to miss this episode. Oh, that sounds that has got to be a coin right in here. There it is, right there. Let's see what we got. First coin of the day. It's a Lincoln. Stinking Lincoln, but I'll take it. First coin of the day, folks, within 1 minute. That is a good sign. I can get this cleaned off a little bit. Folks, out of the hole, let's see what we got. Using the Profine 35 pinpointer. There it is, right there. There it is. Certainly not a Wheatie, but it's a coin, and I'll take it. There it is, folks. Second find. Doing awesome. 29.30. See how it's consistent? Keep that coil going back and forth so we know it's right in there, but move around a little bit, folks. 29.30. Let's check it out and see if it is, in fact, a quarter. Now we got a nice little plug cut. Look, now you can't plan. That's got to be it. Look at that. Can you see it right there? I mean, I don't need a pinpointer. Look. There it is. It's a state quarter. How cool is that? Sitting right there. In. Pocket. Pretty consistent. Let's check it out. Yeah, what was that? I just heard a noise in the house. Now the wind's not blowing, so that thing's not moving. It's a little freaky if you ask me. Folks, I'm going to play it again, and I'm going to turn the volume up loud so that you can hear this sound, and it gave me chills. Yeah, what was that? Man, that was a little spooky. But you know what? I'm just not going to put my back to the house, and I'm going to keep digging a few more coins. 26, 28. There's the 29. Let's check it out. Looks like we got it out of the hole. It's in here somewhere. There it is, right there. I can see it. Tucked away. Been sitting there all those years until Double G comes along. Let's get it. Come on, I've got to get a wheat tin in here somewhere. Nope, another memorial. Dang. Yeah. A little blast from the past. 1981 was the year that I went undercover at a high school. Posed as a student buying drugs, and in fact it was the first time in this county anyone had ever went undercover in a high school. Popped the dirt out and it come up just like that. That day's not complete without at least a piece of silverware, spoon, knife, fork. I think it looks burned. It's got some writing on it. I can't really read it right here. That thing looks cool, man. It's just old. I don't know what that thing is. It's not a coin. It's like a, oh, it's heavy too. It's like a pulley. I don't know. I have to get that thing cleaned up. It looks like brass or copper. I'm not sure. There it is again.
You know, I think the house is just settling. I mean, looks like it's rotten. It's locked. I don't see Jack in here. Oh, what's making that noise? Well, this is the gentleman that gave me permission, sir. Tell me about this house.
Well, this house has been built 1910.
1910. Wow. I heard some noises. Have you ever heard anything about this house being haunted?
Well, it's a lot of things, but it's long story.
Okay.
Many people died in this house.
Oh
inside.
My goodness. Well, I heard some noises.
The last guy died, I found it 3 days later dead inside the house.
Oh my goodness.
His name, you're gonna hear a lot of noises.
Oh my God. Well, hey, first of all, thank you for letting me check.
No problem.
I gave you my business card. You gave me permission, and I appreciate that, man. And I'm going to show you exactly what I find. Thanks,
all
brother.
Right. Whatever.
Another penny. Ooh, there it is. Another Lincoln. Quarter. Sweet, looks like a quarter. Ooh, that thing's heavy. It's a quarter. Can't tell the. There's a cool looking little piece. Almost looks like off a box where you put a key in. Rusty old dime. I'm still up around this house. See it? What the heck? Huh. My guess is maybe something from a Coleman lantern a long time ago. I don't know. I'll have to look at it a little bit more. Right now I gotta dig. Just dug this old master lock key out. There it is, baby, 39. Hug of junk. I just popped this out of the hole. Looks like a shotgun round. Popped or something, maybe. It's not a shotgun round. I don't know. It's cool though. Nice. Man's about to take another scoop out. There it is, right on the top. There it is. It's topped to an old bottle. That's why you wear gloves too. Look at that. Probably not that old. Kind of cool though. Just dug up this hunk of junk, massive. Looks like a little, something off a tractor maybe? I'm not real sure. Just another Lincoln. Still looking for that elusive wheat penny. Or some silver. Silver would be good. Another quarter, and this thing was sitting on the top. Look at it. Still got the leaves, the dirt. Another penny. I don't think, nope, it's not a wheat. Dang, those things are elusive.
That 1977 coin is the same year that Elvis Presley died, and it snowed in my hometown, Lakeland, Florida.
Still in the hole. It's a good sign. Deeper, deep is good. I can see it with my finger. I can't see it on camera. Oh, hallelujah. It's a wheat. Yeah, baby. Yeah! So we can see the year. 1940 something. Oh, I'll get a better look when I get home. Yeah. Let's make sure there's no more down there though. First wheat. Sweetness. I found these before. I'm not sure what they are. I just think it's something off an old car part. Or maybe not. Who knows? It's pretty thick though. Look at that. Didn't look like a wheat. Another penny.
Hey, I want to show you this as we end this video. My feet are killing me after these digs. I'm telling you. And the reason why is sitting right in front of me. For the first time, I counted each and every piece of garbage. Check it out. There's 141 pieces of junk. And look, I'm digging up something out of the ground. It says, please don't litter, and it's about 3 inches down. Folks, all this, and you know if you're into metal detecting, you've got to dig the pull tabs. You've got to dig some of these items, the copper piece from an air conditioner that somebody probably stripped. You've got to dig these if you want to get to the cool stuff and the treasure. So there's no two ways around. Metal detecting is a hard hobby. I mean, it's tough on you. Thank God I've got that shovel to help me get up and down, because 141 times, you're done. It's rough, and this is all the garbage you get. So anyhow, for those folks that think it's a walk in the park and you're just finding money right and left and rings at the beach, and nope, think again. It's a lot of work. Sometimes it takes its toll on your body. So just make sure you stretch good and you're in the best health that you can possibly be in. Right now, I'm gonna go take a nap. Hey folks, it's a wrap. I got my nap, feeling a little bit better. 21 coins in almost 3 hours. Could have been a little bit better. 1 wheat penny, but you know, sometimes that happens. Hey, a special shout out to my friend Brian, who is a sergeant at a local law enforcement agency. Brian did the drone video for me. Did a great job, and really special touch here. So I appreciate that, Brian. Folks, thanks for following Double G on YouTube. As always, remember to like, subscribe, share the video. And if you got a question, good or bad, stick it in there and I'll get back with it. And guess what? I'll see you on the next dig.